Hi, I'm Susie from Arc Sport, and I'm just going to take you through a few simple exercises you can do here at Alumni Park. For more advanced gym goers, we've put together a harder workout so that you can test that muscle strength out. For all exercises, aim for 8 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Here is a tricep dip, which is great for your shoulders and arms. Try to keep your torso stable and bend only your elbows. Here is a lunge to A shape, which is great for your glutes and quads. Step back into a lunge and then push up into a running or high knee position. The third exercise are pull-ups, which are great for your back and arms. The fourth exercise are Nordics, which are great for your hamstrings. Hook your feet under the bar and then slowly lower your torso to the ground as far as you can go. And then use your arms to push back up. Avoid hinging at your hips throughout the movement, and it is a harder exercise, so aim for around 6 repetitions. Here we have the raised leg extensions, which are a great whole body exercise, but particularly for your quads and abs. The final exercise are the side climb gorilla bars. Try to keep your whole body stiff and keep your arms stiff as well. It's a great whole body exercise, but particularly for your arms and shoulders. Make sure you go both ways to exercise both shoulders. For all exercises, aim for 8 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets.